proclamation dito binalangkas at binuo ang kauna-unahang Philippine Constitution o yung tinatawag na Konstitusyong Malolod. So ang Presidente during that time, grupo na yan, nagtalunan at pinagtibay ang ating Constitution. Walang iba kung who goes by the name, ang family name is Paterno. Ang kanyang buong pangalan is Pedro Paterno. So again, ang ating tinatamasang kalayaan na may basically merong constitution dito binalangkas at pinagtibay sa simbahan na to. Way back September 1888.
1888 December.
He was born and raised inside Aguinaldo Shrine, which happens to be the exact location ng kanilang bahay ay sa Kawit, Cavite, kung saan dito sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon iwinagayway ang bandila ng Pilipinas, declaring the Republic of the Philippines as an independent state.
Welcome po sa Museum of Philippine Culture.